Hello everyone, welcome to my YT channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install old OS on your iPhone. There is a link in the description. You need a test flight app to install this. So I will just open Safari. I'm going to paste the link. Boom. Then tap on start testing. Then here you can see old OS 3. Tap on accept. It will take some seconds or minutes to install that app on your iPhone, and that goes according to your network speed. Once you get this open option, click on it. So here is your what to say iPhone, first generation iPhone. When you install for the first time on your iPhone, it will ask some prompts, whether to access your files, photos, camera, and such stuffs. You should, if you require that, you can put allow, or you can also deny the permissions which it will ask. This way you can easily install old operating system on your iPhone.